So this is Gigabyte graphic card, AORUS RTX 5060 Ti Elite 16G. Let's check the deep specifications of graphic card. See, this is socket number GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. So clock, this is clock speed 2722 megahertz, and core which is 4608, memory clock speed 28 GB per second. This is clock speed, and memory size 16 GB, and this is memory type DDR GDDR7. Memory bus 128 bit, and card bus, this is connect to your motherboard. This is socket, actually you can see PCIe 5.0, and this is resolutions, max resolution supporting this 7680 into 4320. This is display resolutions which is support latest max. Okay, and this is require power supply. You can power supply 550 watt. Okay, and 8 pin, and you can see this is output, means this is connect to your monitor. Okay, output, and DP port, 3 DP port 2.1, and 1 HDMI port 2.1. Okay, and this is accessory which is in box, warranty and register and all you can see.